You've spent years chasing manifestations, affirmations at dawn, vision boards on walls, begging the universe for breakthroughs that never stick. Nights end the same, tossing in frustration, subconscious, replaying old failures while you sleep away 1/3 of your life on autopilot. What if that wasted time was your greatest weapon, turning every bedtime into a reality-shaping portal? Imagine waking to love, money, or freedom, not as hopes, but facts effortlessly drawn from within. The game changes when you realize your mind's deepest layer accepts truth without question, building worlds from feelings alone. That's where Neville Goddard's State Akin to Sleep, or SATS, becomes your ultimate cheat code, hacking the subconscious to manifest anything while your guard dog mind sleeps. This isn't some complicated ritual or endless affirmation loop that leaves you frustrated. SATS is your direct line to the subconscious, the powerhouse behind every manifestation, where doubts can't touch you and your deepest assumptions take root overnight. Neville hammered this technique because he knew it bypasses all the mental noise that blocks most people from creating their ideal life. Your everyday thoughts, filled with worry or what-ifs, fight against your desires. But in SATS, that chatter fades, letting pure feeling impress the truth deep inside you. Think about how your mind works during the day. It's like a busy guard dog, barking at every negative idea or old habit, protecting the reality you don't even want anymore. Science backs this up with a hypnagogic state, that dreamy twilight between wakefulness and sleep, where your brain shifts into theta waves, making it super receptive to new beliefs without resistance. Researchers have shown this state boosts neuroplasticity, rewires thought patterns, and amps up emotional imprinting. Exactly why Neville called it the best time to change your future with zero effort. Your conscious resistance melts away, allowing planted seeds of desire to grow unchecked through the night. Your subconscious doesn't argue or question. It just accepts what you feed it and builds your world around that. During SATS, you're not forcing anything. You're simply dropping into a relaxed zone where imagination feels more real than your current surroundings. This is the cheat code because it hacks the system. No more struggling against limiting beliefs handed down from childhood or past failures. Instead, you plant the seed of your wish fulfilled, and your subconscious grows it into physical form, whether that's love, money, health, or freedom. Neville used it to manifest trips to Barbados, financial windfalls, and healed relationships, proving it's not theory, it's a reliable shortcut anyone can use. Even skeptics find their walls crumbling after a few consistent nights. People chase manifestation all wrong, visualizing during coffee breaks or repeating mantras that their skeptical mind laughs off. But SATS turns sleep, something you do anyway, into your secret weapon. Neville said, you change your future best when effort drops to nothing, attention relaxes, and you hold the feeling without force. In this state, your senses quiet down, everyday distractions vanish, and your inner world becomes vivid, convincing your deeper self that the desired reality is now. It's like whispering instructions to a loyal servant who works 24/7 while you rest, aligning circumstances, people, and events in your favor without you lifting a finger. Why does it feel like cheating? Because your conscious mind, the part that overthinks and doubts, goes offline first, leaving the subconscious wide open. Studies on hypnagogia confirm this. Reflective thinking declines fast, while immersion in imaginary experiences skyrockets, shifting brain structure itself toward your new assumptions. Chaos magicians and metaphysicians have chased similar states for centuries, even timing rituals to peak vulnerability like drowsiness or other relaxed moments, but Neville simplified it for everyone with SATS. No fancy tools, no gurus, just you, your bed, and a few minutes of focused feeling. This democratizes power, putting godlike creation in your nightly routine. To slide into this powerhouse state, start simple as you prep for bed. Lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths to unwind from the day. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Your body gets heavy, limbs sink into the mattress, and your mind drifts like it's floating on a calm sea. If thoughts wander, gently count your breaths, in for 1, out for 2, up to 100, or until drowsiness hits. This isn't meditation. It's easing into that half-awake haze where everything softens and your senses turn inward. Neville practiced this to master control, and you can too, even in the morning, if evenings feel rushed. Feel your heartbeat slow, eyelids too heavy to lift as the world fades. Once you're there, feeling relaxed and dreamy, pick a short scene that implies your desire is done. No middle steps, just the natural end. Don't overthink the perfect picture. Boil it down to what you really crave. Want more money? Feel the relief of spending freely, the texture of cash in your hand, or a bank alert buzzing with your new balance. Craving love? Sense a warm embrace. Hear loving words, whispered close. Smell familiar, scent on skin. The key is first-person immersion. You're not watching a movie, you're living it, feeling every detail as real as this moment. Make your skin tingle with the reality of it. Make it sensory rich because that's how your subconscious knows it's true. Touch the rung of a ladder like in Neville's famous test. Hear congratulations ringing in your ears. Taste victory on your tongue. Loop this 5-to-1 5-second scene effortlessly, letting the feeling of fulfillment wash over you until it saturates your being. You're not excited about someday, this is now, comfortable and familiar, like slipping into your favorite reality. Neville didn't imagine getting a ticket to Barbados. He felt the salt air, heard waves crashing, was there in body and soul. That's the shift, from pretending to being, where doubt has no foothold. This works because repetition in SATS builds conviction without strain, hardening your assumption into fact. Your subconscious can't tell imagination from reality. When delivered this way, it orchestrates bridges from inner feeling to outer proof. Doubts dissolve in drowsiness. Resistance can't grip when you're passive, yet in control. Neville emphasized giving scenes all the trappings of nativity: time, space, sounds, textures, until they feel physical. Practice erodes the line between pretend and actual, training you to inhabit any state you choose. Over time, you'll notice synchronicities building, like puzzle pieces clicking into place. You don't need perfect visuals every time. Sometimes it's pure feeling, like Neville's "Isn't it wonderful?" for multiple desires. Fall asleep assuming you're already the person with everything, content, and at peace. No forcing duration. Do it nightly for enjoyment until it becomes habit. Then trust the unfolding. Scenes can vary as long as they carry the end feeling. Enjoy the process, because tension blocks the flow. This naturalism means manifestations arrive as, of course, no surprise, just your new normal. Your outer world starts reflecting the inner calm you've claimed. SATS shines for any desire because it targets the core. State akin to having, not chasing. For relationships, feel companionship's ease, not pleas or apologies. For career, embody success's rhythm, not interviews. Money, live abundance, not scarcity hunts. It reprograms identity subtly, aligning actions and opportunities automatically. Even if you're new, starting small builds skill move mentally to a peaceful beach. Feel sand underfoot until belief clicks. Watch how your confidence grows, drawing better choices without conscious push. The beauty is flexibility. Do it pre-sleep or upon waking, when the state comes easiest. Combine with breath focus or gentle inner speech like, "Thank you, it's done," to deepen. Avoid daytime forcing. SATS thrives on relaxation. Persistence pays because each session strengthens the impression, like watering a seed until it sprouts. Neville wasn't ahead of science. Hypnagogia research now validates his insights on suggestibility and brain shifts. Common pitfalls, like overthinking scenes, fade with practice, revealing smoother results. Ultimately, SATS empowers you as creator, using sleep's 1/3 of life for transformation instead of autopilot replay. It's the cheat code because it's simple, leverages nature, and guarantees results when feeling rules. Your imagination creates reality. In SATS, you wield it purest. Tonight, enter drowsily. Live your wish fulfilled. Sleep and watch life mirror back the truth you've claimed. Assumptions become facts. You're not waiting, you're arriving. Embrace this power fully, and your reality shifts forever. I hope this helped you. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.